Unless you are Catholic, you're not gonna make it, because the only way to Christ is Catholicism. And on the other side, Orthodox say, unless you're an Orthodox, you are in deep trouble, because the only way to Christ is Orthodoxy. And then 30,000 branches say, unless you're born again, or unless or this group or that group, you're in deep trouble, you're going to hell. You know what? Honestly, all of you, get a life. Get a life. Our sons and daughters are being devoured by Satan, and we're fighting over whose throne is right. Let me say this. I pray all Christians and the entire world end up with the Lord Jesus. Don't ever think, if I raise my voice and I speak aloud even when I'm about to lose my voice here, don't think I'm angry. No, this is pain built and based on love. I'm in pain. Why do we need to be divided? Why do we need to be like enemies? Why do we need to reject one another? Why do we need to look at each other in so differently? Why? Why? I just wonder, when the Lord Jesus died on the cross, did he die for you to call him Catholic? Did he die for you to call him Orthodox? Did he die for you to call him Protestant? Absolutely not. Not. He died for one reason. Father, just like I and you are one, I want them all to be one in us. One. Not a million zillion pieces. One. United. One.